Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to log out of Instagram on all the devices you logged into your account from. To do this, you open your profile. Next, you click on the three bars. Then you click on Settings and Privacy. Now you click on Account Center. Then you click on Password and Security, and click on where you're logging in. Click. Here we select the desired account, and now we see all the devices from which you have logged in. To log out from a certain device, just click and delete it from the list. If you select multiple devices, you can delete all devices at once and log out from all those devices. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way to do it. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.